Good morning, and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
So this is going to be our meeting down in Gulf Shores, Alabama. It's going to be the AGD in Tennessee. So it'll be an awesome event.
Oh, yeah.
So, hey, Lenny, I want to welcome to the Monday Morning Minute, everybody. I want to introduce Leonard Bici. I'm introducing him for the second time. We picked him up on waivers. He used to be with us in what? What years were you with us?
2014, 2015.
2014, 2015. So he has extensive knowledge in implantology now. So he's going to be here to help everyone out. So get out there and make it happen, buddy.
Thanks a lot, Fitz. I'm excited to be working with all the dentists that we worked with back in 2014 and 2015, and I'm also excited to meet all the new dentists as well.
You got it.
Right?
And we
got
got
to see you guys at the courses.
We got a lot coming in.
Thanks a lot, Fitz.
Okay, buddy. Great to have you, pal. So what we're going to talk about this morning is what's happening down in Orlando. We're celebrating our 20th anniversary this year. And it's not only going to happen for 1 month. We're so excited about this. It's going to push right through to the end of the year. And what we're going to have down in Orlando is we're having 3 of the most knowledgeable people in mini dental implant history. Number 1, there's nobody in the world that's placed more mini implants than Dr. Todd Shatkin. He has helped so many of you to get to where you are today. And it's so great having the loyal customers that we have. Your loyalty will not go unnoticed here at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. So not only do we have Dr. Shatkin, but we also have Dr. Gordon Christensen, who just did a wonderful job lecturing with us down at the International Academy meeting in Las Vegas. And he will be doing a full day lecture on August 5th in Orlando. Now, the issue we have with Orlando is the course is sold out. So we have a lot of people coming down there. We're going to have well over 100 doctors. But the good news is, my buddy Mark told me that we have upcoming courses in Buffalo at the world's largest mini dental implant training facility on September 22nd and 23rd and October 27th and 28th. And then to finish the year, we're going to have a huge advanced mini dental implant and mono dental implant course on 16th, 17th, and on the 18th, which will be Saturday, Dr. Sam Shatkin will be doing a Botox course. I know we get a lot of calls from dentists. They want to learn how to do the Botox for dentistry. And Dr. Sam I've been to 4 courses with him teaching Botox. It's an absolute phenomenal course to attend. So November's going to be busy. We're going to be celebrating our 20th year. We're so excited. The new warranty that Dr. Shatkin spoke about last week on the Monday Morning Minute, if you missed it by any chance, you can go to our website at shatkinfirst.com. You can go to any of our Monday Morning Minutes. You can look up any one that we've ever done. But last week, Dr. Shatkin talked about the warranty that he's willing to offer any of our doctors working with Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. It is a one-of-a-kind. Nobody in the industry does it. And we want your loyalty, and we want you to be with us from here on in. It's not a quick, hey, just buy some implants from us and we're done. No, we want a long-lasting relationship with you. Okay? We're excited about what's going on at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. We have a lot going on now. I'm going to introduce a brand new surgical kit in the next few weeks, which is amazing. I'm going to bring it down to Florida with us. And we're also going to be at the NDA next week. Dr. Shatkin will be doing live surgery down in New Orleans. So if you're in that neck of the woods and you want to watch some unbelievably, minimally invasive surgery going on with mini implants and mono implants, come by the NDA. It'll be held next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday in New Orleans, Louisiana. So we look forward to seeing everybody down there. And the last thing I have to say is I hope everyone has an unbelievable week placing mini and mono implants, and we're so glad that you're working with us. Have a great week.